What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to be doing my front sway bar links for my 2010 Kia Forte. I don't know how to fix cars, so this is going to be pretty funny. My friend Ayash is going to help me. I've seen a lot of videos of other Kias, but I haven't seen a Kia Forte video. Basically the same layout, but keep you guys in touch and everything. Show you how to do it. I have a impact wrench here, cord one. Got it on sale, Canadian Tire, $60, good price. Not for parts. Gonna be safe, gonna have the jack stands and everything. There's a jack and a stand on each side, just slightly for the wheel to be above. And of course, you know, using the ratchet and anything, we're gonna take off the top one first. Sometimes the nut will just swing, it'll just spin with it. So what you want to do is use a wrench or something to hold the back of it, just like that. Then you just use your ratchet or your fitted wrenches, and you can also use an impact gun to remove it. So you remove the top and the bottom out. So it wrench you some trouble, as we're saying, with the spinning nut. Use a vice grip. Use an impact to get most of it off. We're just trying to grip it down some more, and probably use the impact to take it off completely now. Oh, sorry. Okay, so what we did was we used a fitted wrench, and using the vice grip, we got the lower link on the driver's side out. We couldn't get an impact socket in or a ratchet in, unfortunately, so we just used a fitted wrench and we just used a vice grip to hold it. It worked pretty well and it came off really easily, so that's a big plus. It's like about to fall.
It's almost about to fall off, but just that last bit is a bit hard. Yes, no. Probably. Okay.
Oh, I can't spin that. It's so stuck.
It looks like you can, but.
We spray some PB blaster on it to make sure that it loosens up a bit before we even
Or
started.
some WD-40.
Yeah.
But for using WD-40, make sure to spray it a bit while just a few minutes before you start working on it. Probably you can just remove it right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
There we go.
There.
Driver's side off.
One side off. Yes.
Oh, my glasses. Right. You can see it's cracked.
Wait a second.
Down here.
So this has no play at all. That is a good links.
Just installing the new one. You do the bottom, do the top. Probably should do one at a time, but we're trying to rush it. We're lazy, we're tired, we have trouble.
But you cannot cost on YouTube. That's alright.
So what Ayash is doing is he's using a fitted wrench at the bottom, just because we can't get a impact or anything in there. The ratchet. I'm just using the ratchet on the top to tighten it.
I think it's almost fully tight.
The new sway bar links are 17 millimeters from Apple. It's a perfect fit. So we're just about to finish up the driver's side and move on to the passenger. Alright, so we did the right sway bar links on the driver's side. They were never changed before, so what we noticed was on the passenger side, they were actually once changed before, and we checked them. We checked both sides and actually not cracked or anything. There's no sway, so we actually retightened that. You should change sway bar links at the exact same time. My ball joints here have to be changed, so I might as well have the mechanic change that sway bar link at the same time, because ball joints are a pretty hard task. Anyway, so we just changed the driver's side today. This is the test drive after. No clunking noise anymore. It was really bad, but let's go! Yo! It's so good! Do it yourself, yo.
DIY is the best. You save shit ton of money. It actually makes you like feel really proud of yourself, right? Man.
That guy's crazy. He just fucking stopped for no reason, bro. And like, come on, let's go faster.
Yo, I don't know if mine also links.
Yo, yours is definitely links. Change your links. Give it a try. It's $20 each, man. It's cheap. Yo,
What if I had to
so
go through the
good.
same shit with the my links too?
It's so good.